3, 2, 1.
I'll be using 2 blocks of pink, 1 block of white, and 1 block of red. We'll be using water to stick parts together. To make things easier for myself, I'm going to cut my blocks into smaller pieces. I'm squishing the blocks to make it easier for myself to work. I'll be using the pink to make the body and the hat, red for the nose, white for the beard. I'm going to start with the body, making a cylinder. Next up, I'm going to be making the beard. I only need half. Brush a little water on the body to stick the beard. I'm going to put a little water on the beard to stick the nose. Next up, I'm going to be making the hat. Make the bottom wide so it fits the whole body. I'm going to brush a little water on the nose and the body. I'm going to stick the hat. Adjust with my hands. Lastly, I'm going to use the sharp edge of my tool to texture the beard.